for today we're working with section 6.3b, problem number 2 from page 308. So first let's read the question. Use a rectangular region to illustrate each of the following products. So we'll start with part A, which says 2 fifths times 1/3. And they want us to do this using a rectangular region. So we're going to start by doing this by using a rectangle. And we're going to kind of take this into two separate parts. So first we're going to look at the 2 fifths. So that's saying they want us to split the rectangle into fifths. So we're going to split it this way down into fifths. So now we have 5 fifths, or the rectangle is broken into fifths. And of the 5, they want 2 of them. So we're going to color in 2 fifths of the rectangle. And now we're going to use a separate color to do the other part of the equation. We want colors that are different. So then now we're going to break the rectangle the other way into thirds. So the fifth went this way, so now we're going to do the thirds going this way. And of those thirds, they want 1/3 colored in. So that would be going this way. Now, we want to look at the thing as a whole. So to find out when we multiply them, we're going to look at which ones are colored with both shades. So now, if we look at it as a whole, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 squares or rectangles in our diagram. So that's going to be the total, because we have total 15 squares, and for the numerator, it's going to be the ones that are both shaded. So then we're going to have 2 for the top. So that's how we do it, using a rectangular diagram. So now let's look at part B. For part B, it says 2/3 times 2/3. And we're going to do this kind of with the same process. So we're going to start with one rectangle and look at it as 2 separate diagrams. So for the first one, we're going to break into thirds going one way. And they want 2 of those thirds filled in. So then we're going to shade in 2 of them. And now we're going to look at the other part using the other color going the other way. So now we want 2/3 going this way as well. So we're going to break it into thirds. And once again, they want 2 of the thirds colored in. So then we'll color in 2 rows of the thirds. And now going with kind of the same process, we're going to count the total number we have in the whole thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total, which will be our denominator. And then the numerator will be the ones that we have shaded in with both colors. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded in with both colors. So that's how we find the multiplication of 2 fractions using the rectangular region to illustrate it.